Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. My husband is a pilot, but when he can't be in a real plane, he loves flying virtually. And this joystick from Logitech has been great for him. He loves it. So a few features that he really appreciates. The joystick itself is comfortable and the whole thing has just a really nice solid weight to it. There's also a few features that he loves. So here it has a throttle control. It also has 12 fully programmable buttons that you can change depending on your game. And there's a 4-way hat switch to change views while you're playing, and twist for a rudder. So I think just overall with so many different features available right there in your hand, it just makes playing a joy. I hope that you are gonna find this as great as he does, and that's my point of view.